This month on Patreon, we'll be continuing with the Revolut card model and creating this metal block that chips away to reveal our card within. This is inspired by werk.core's work I found on Instagram. I believe this was made in Houdini and they've done an incredible job on it, which is why I'd like to create my own version inside of Cinema. Once again, the Revolut card model I'm using here will be provided to you for free if you're a Prime tier member. You can find the card model over in the shop section. This model isn't required for this tutorial as it's only for aesthetic purposes and nothing practical, so you can use something else or even have it as a kind of logo reveal. Whatever you like, you just don't need to have the card model. We'll likely have two parts to the series, the first where we create our main effects, then in the second we'll do our final touches such as lighting, camera, materials and any extras we need to do to sell the effect. This was a really fun one to create, so I hope to see you over on Patreon.